Hi, my name is Hayden Owens, and I'm here to tell you about my amazing product called Prestige Comfort. Here at Prestige Comfort, our main goal is to make sure you have all your dire necessities easily accessible so you can maintain focus while working from home. When you're working at home, do you ever find yourself leaving your workspace when you don't need to, or that you don't have all your necessities with you at your desk? And is your desk just not big enough to store all of your needs? If so, I have the perfect product for you. Come see for yourself why our furniture truly gives you the most prestigious comfort. While observing friends and family working from home, I noticed that a lot of them had distractions while working at their desk. Those distractions included the need to get up for food or water. They didn't have space to store all their necessities, so they had to go somewhere else in the vicinity to get those necessities. And their back started to hurt while sitting in a chair for a long time. The purpose for this design is I thought of this design because while observing people at their desk working, I noticed that all of them at one point or another got distracted from what they were doing to go look for something in which they needed. If everything you need, though, is already with you, there is a much greater chance that the worker will stay focused with the task at hand. With my chair design, the user will never have to leave his or her seat while working unless it's for something of dire need. Here you can see the early design process of my chair. In the top left corner, we have a visual representation of the left armrest of the chair. In the upper left-hand corner, it is a storage unit for school supplies such as pencil and pens. There is pencil holders and as well as deep compartments to store lots of things. In the other parts of the armrest, there is also lots of extra storage to store whatever you need to store. On the right side, there is a cooler so that all your drinks and food items can be easily stored at your chair, causing you to not have to get up and leave to go to the kitchen. In the middle of the image is the main chair itself. On the left side, it shows the cooler, and on the right side, it shows the two storage compartments. On the bottom, it shows the battery packs, and in the middle of the chair, you can see that there's a massage chair. Now for the power options, there's a plug-in option, which is a wired option, and there's also a battery pack option. The battery pack option comes with 4 batteries total, and as well as a charging station. This allows you to have 2 batteries on the charger at all times, so that when the 2 batteries in the chair die, you can easily right away plug in the other batteries, allowing your cooler to stay cool and all your other items to stay working. Here we have the final designs I made for the chair. On the left armrest, the pencil holders and everything are the same, except that I added a pencil sharpener, because I know that pencils get dull and they need to be sharpened, and having a sharpener right next to you will be very handy. On the upper right portion of the left armrest, it shows the massage chair control panel, which allows you to turn it on as well as change the settings for which it will massage. In the bottom portion of the left armrest, it is 2 deep storage units which allow you to store any necessities you need. In the middle, we can see the chair itself. On the backrest, there will be the massage chair. There'll be a massage chair, as well as on the bottom there is a height adjustment as well as 360-degree rotation at the bottom. On the right armrest, it's still the cooler, as well as on the right side there is now a snack compartment to store snacks and food as well that do not need to be kept cold. Also on the left side of the cooler, on the upper left-hand portion, there will be a shelf halfway between the cooler so you can store multiple things inside of there. And the bottom portion will still be a 12-inch deep compartment. And that is the final design for my Prestige Comfort chair. Thank you for listening.